Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Really simple, really easy, maybe not that cool, but it looks pretty nice. And only using two objects to make it. A six-sided polygon. Your polygon tool is right there, so hold down your control. But well, let's just make one. Take your polygon tool, have it set on six-sided, hold down your control button, and then hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now you're going to want to take a lip or a rectangle and go from about right in here over that part of the wall. That might be a little bit thick, but then with your ratio lock, let's just type in 5 inches and you get that shape. We're not quite long enough, so let's make it a little bit longer. Now Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation, and I'm going to hit F. Alternate C to put it in the center of the page, and then rotate it 120 degrees. You get that right there. Now, a couple of options you can do, and it would be better to have this virtually segment cut out. And then take your Smart Fill tool, fill it on any color. Let's use a lighter color this time. Let's go with that blue. And there's your shape. Now we need to make some darkness in one area. So we'll go to the interactive fill tool, just kind of scroll down, and let's put a black in that area. That's a little bit too much, so we can take this and slide it down. Now I'm going to nudge this out of the way, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way in case it doesn't work good. Now we're still working in the center of the page. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to Control D and Alternate C to put it in the center of the page, which is a macro that me and Mr. Brewer came up with. And if you'd like to have it, just email me and I'll send you that, or leave me a message off the video. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's kind of a twisted polygon. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.